For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a mailbox business can be a profitable venture, especially as more people and businesses seek secure and convenient mail and package handling services. With the rise of digital tools, it's now easier than ever to plan, launch, and manage a mailbox business using free AI resources. This guide will take you step by step through the process of starting a mailbox business with the help of free AI tools, making your journey efficient and informed. Step 1. Understand the mailbox business model. Before diving into the business, it's crucial to fully understand what a mailbox business entails. This business typically offers mail receiving, package handling, mailbox rental, and sometimes shipping services to individuals and small businesses. Knowing your target market, the services you will offer, and the legal regulations is essential. You can use ChatGPT to help you research the mailbox business model. Try a prompt like, "Explain the mailbox business model, including common services offered, target customers, and legal requirements in the United States." Step 2. Conduct market research and analyze competitors. Market research will help you identify your potential customers, assess demand in your chosen location, and understand the competition. Use free AI tools such as ChatGPT and Google Trends to gather information about your local market. A good prompt for ChatGPT is, "Help me analyze the demand and competition for a mailbox business in your city or region." Include key competitors, customer needs, and service gaps. For trends and customer interests, Google Trends can show you how popular mailbox-related searches are in your area. This data can guide your business strategy. Step 3. Develop a business plan. Creating a detailed business plan is vital to outline your goals, strategies, and financial forecasts. Free AI like ChatGPT can assist in drafting your business plan efficiently. You can prompt, "Create a comprehensive business plan outline for a mailbox business, including executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections." Once you have the outline, ask for detailed sections. For example, write the marketing strategy section for a mailbox business targeting small businesses and individual customers. Step 4. Choose a location and secure the necessary licenses. Your mailbox business needs a physical location that is accessible and convenient for customers. Research suitable commercial spaces near residential or business hubs. You can use Google Maps and AI tools to shortlist locations. In terms of licensing, you will likely need to register your business, get a local business license, and comply with postal regulations. The United States Postal Service, USPS, offers guidelines on mailbox services, so visit their website or ask ChatGPT. What are the necessary permits and licenses required to start a mailbox business in your state? Step 5. Set up your mailbox business infrastructure. Your infrastructure includes mailbox units, a secure mail handling area, customer management system, and a website. Use free AI tools to help with planning and setup. To design your mailbox layout and workflow, try a prompt. Suggest an efficient layout and workflow for a small mailbox business with 50 mailbox units. For customer management, consider free CRM tools like HubSpot CRM or Bitrix24, which can be integrated into your business for tracking rentals, payments, and communication. Step 6. Build your website and online presence. An online presence is crucial for attracting customers and providing information about your services. Use free AI-powered website builders such as Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, or Bookmark, which guide you through creating a professional site without coding. For content creation, use ChatGPT with prompts like, "Write a homepage introduction for a mailbox business emphasizing security, convenience, and excellent customer service." Also, generate blog posts or FAQs with ChatGPT, e.g., create a FAQ section answering common questions about mailbox rental services. Step 7. Create a marketing plan and promote your business. Marketing will bring customers to your mailbox business. AI tools can assist in planning and executing marketing strategies. Use ChatGPT for ideas and content generation. Prompt: develop a marketing plan for a new mailbox business targeting individuals and small businesses, including online and offline strategies. Generate social media posts, ad copies, and email templates using ChatGPT. For example, write 5 Facebook ad copies promoting mailbox rental services with emphasis on security and convenience. Leverage free platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, and local community boards to promote your services without cost. Step 8. Set pricing and payment systems. Decide your pricing structure for mailbox rentals and any additional services. You can use ChatGPT to benchmark pricing based on market data. Prompt: work competitive pricing strategies for mailbox rental services in your area. Suggest monthly rental fees and fees for package handling. Set up free payment processing tools like Square or PayPal to accept customer payments easily. Step 9. Manage daily operations efficiently. Running your mailbox business smoothly requires good organization. Use AI tools to automate appointment scheduling, customer communication, and inventory management. ChatGPT can help generate email templates for customer notifications, e.g., write a customer notification email for when a package arrives. Use free task management apps like Trello or Asana to track daily tasks and maintenance. Step 10. Monitor performance and scale your business. After launching, it's important to track your business performance through metrics like customer growth, revenue, and operational efficiency. Use free analytics tools such as Google Analytics for your website and built-in reporting from your CRM. Ask ChatGPT, how can I analyze the performance of my mailbox business and identify opportunities for growth? Based on insights, you can plan to scale by adding more mailbox units, expanding locations, or offering complementary services like shipping and notary. Conclusion: starting a mailbox business with the help of free AI tools is an accessible and cost-effective way to enter a steady market. By leveraging AI for research, planning, marketing, and management, you reduce overhead and speed up your launch process. Follow the steps carefully, stay responsive to customer needs, and continuously improve your services to build a successful mailbox business. With dedication and smart use of AI resources, your mailbox business can thrive in today's competitive environment. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.